Hi guys, right, today I'm here to show you a brand new subscription box. This one, can you believe it, number 49. This is all about the Interchangeable Scene Die collection. This one here, you've got over 200 elements and it makes a minimum of 18 cards. Let's dive straight in and show you what you're going to get. A few little ideas that you will know by now on the front of the box, and you get a lovely welcome from Sarah. Let's dive right into the main box itself. Now within this one here, this is all about the dies, the interchangeable scene dies. So this is your die set, and at first you might think, oh, they look a bit strange. This is where you're starting to build up the scene. These are the main elements you're going to use. Then what we're going to give you is some of your stamps as well. So with these stamps, what you've got is a little bit of forestry. So you can have them winter, you can have them summer, but you've got your sentiments as well. So you've got them included. What we can then do, show you, you've got your card blanks. These ones here are 5x5. These are a mat, and this is where your 18 cards come into play. As you will know by now, if you're in the subscription, use your own card blanks, use your own envelopes, and you can make so much more. You get the envelopes included. Then what we're going to do, we're going to give you the ribbons. These ones here, when it comes to these ribbons, satin ribbon, you've got 3 colours, and you're also going to get 9 in total. 6mm, 12mm, and you're getting 19mm in width. What we're then going to do is we're going to give you some of these dew drops. These are a lovely clear. Bring in your alcohol markers, start to change the colour. They're included as well. What we can then also give you is your 8x8 block cardstock. So within this one here, as I was saying, they are 8x8. You've got 18 sheets. You've got 6 colours, and you've got 3 of each colour. Really lovely for different scenes throughout the year, whether it's summer or whether it's winter time. What we're then giving you is your little 5x5 printed papers. You're getting 24 of these ones. You've got 6 designs, and you're getting 4 of each. So you've got that forest, you've got that spring look, you've got some of the galactic, the stars in there, as well as that wintry autumn tones. All of that comes included within box number 49. The key thing about box number 49 is you've got everything included where you can make your scene cards that are interchangeable, have them so that they can work for the springtime, the summertime, the autumn time, or fall time, including winter time as well. This is subscription box number 49, Interchangeable Scene Die Craft Kit, over 200 elements, makes a minimum of 18 cards, all in this beautiful Crafter's Companion box.